welcome back. This is Sarah over here at Final and Tool Supply. We're coming back with a live tutorial on how to use two colors of metallic puff. I'm starting off here in Caesar Leonardo Design Studio Pro. I have gone ahead and got these SVGs from Etsy. I'm going to be using two different kinds of SVGs. There's this one right here in the red, and we also have the spiders in the blue. I actually cut those reversed, so these ones are in blue and these ones are in red, but I'm just showing that we're using two different colors. So I've gone ahead and sent these to my cutter. What you would do if you have this specific cutter is you would send your full design to send design, and that's going to send it to your machine. You would press send. It then brings you to the cutting mat, and then you're going to send to cutter, and that would start cutting everything. I have already gone ahead and pre-cut all my designs, so we are going to go ahead and show you those now. Alright, so I mentioned I've already gone ahead and pre-cut this material. I did use my Caesar Romeo. We cut this in our pre-loaded cut setting. Everybody's cut settings are going to be a little bit different depending on your machine and how you've been cutting. So I always recommend doing a test cut. So as I mentioned before, this is going to be two different colors of our BTS 3D Super Puff in metallic red and metallic royal blue. I absolutely love how this is going to come out. We're putting this on a black Gildan sweatshirt. My daughter's turning 13 in about 2 weeks, and I wanted to surprise her. Her favorite thing right now is Spider-Man, so I wanted to make her a Spider-Man inspired sweatshirt that she can wear to school and basically anywhere that she wants to go. So I am going to cut all these little pieces out, and they will all be getting pressed separately. The idea here that I would like to do is I want them to basically opposite coordinate. So I want to alternate the design on the sweater and sporadically place them. So I'm really excited to see how that comes out. I have this idea in my head, and I'm hoping that it comes out the way that I want. I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and we will be right back. Okay, so we've already gone ahead and cut all these little pieces out. I made sure to line the spiders up forward facing so that they don't look backwards or the wrong way when I'm pressing them. So we've got all the little blue ones pre-cut and ready to go, and now we have all the red ones pre-cut and ready to go. So basically on the t-shirt, I'm sorry, I keep saying t-shirt, on the sweater, we are going to alternate and sporadically place them. So I'm going to bring us over to the press, and we're going to prep to start pressing. Okay, we are going to go ahead and press. I've finally lined up what I like, and have a huge piece of Teflon. It's 16 by 20 inches, and it covers my complete surface. So I'm going to press this down for 10 seconds. All right, so the second press right here, guys, is what's going to ignite that puff. Ready? Yes. Let me give you guys a close-up. This is a close-up of how it came out.